If your plane sounds like a dog, don't worry, it's not time for walkies. That's actually the hydraulic pump kicking in. It powers critical systems like landing gear, brakes, and flight controls. The barking is just high-pressure fluid moving through valves. Fun fact, pilots call it the dog bark. Next time you hear it, smile, it means your plane's muscles are working. Ever mistaken a plane sound for something silly? Tell us below. Want to obtain an aviation degree? At Aviation University, we provide tuition-free online aviation degree programs. DM us for more info and start your aviation journey today.